Ako man mag-celebrate ng birthday ko. Una-una, wala akong co-host. I didn't ask about a sponsor. I can give my one salary in YouTube. I can give to them. Just make a games, and especially to my members like this. Kasi nung last my birthday, my co-host is Eugene and Malus TV, December 1. Wow. So I give my one salary to them. And some have a sponsor. I don't have too many friends in YT. So that's why my birthday is just a normal day. No celebration in my channel. Alam mo yung channel ko 6 years na. Nung September, my channel is already 6 years. Madam, being